Good morning, class. In last turn, we have understand the methods call by value and call by difference. Now, in this turn, we have understand the new topic, and the topic is recursion. What do you understand by recursion? The process of calling a function by itself. The process of calling a function by itself known as recursion. The process of calling a function by itself known as recursion, and the function which call itself is known as recursive function. The process of calling a function by itself known as recursion, and the function which called itself is known as recursive function. In C++ and C language, a function can call any function that has been defined including itself. So, the function repeatedly keeps calling itself such that functions are called recursive function. Let us understand what is recursion with an example. So, for understanding the recursion, we make a program of factorial to find the factorial of any number. To find the factorial of any number, like factorial 5 equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 120. For printing the factorial of any number with the help of recursion, firstly we return our header files, that is #include stdio.h and #include conio.h. Firstly, we return two header files, and in C++ we return #include iostream.h and #include conio.h. So there are two header files which is used in our program. After that we return int fact, int data type, fact function name, and number of argument is 1, that is int n. After that we return if a equal to 1. If a equal to 1, then it returns 1, return 1, else return what is written? A into fact, what is a minus 1, that is recursive function. After that we close. Then we made our main function. Open the body of main and take two variables int n and f which having integer data type, then we return CLRSCR, then return printf enter any number, return enter any number, and scanf %d comma n, the number is n, f equal to fact n, f equal to fact n. This is function calling statement. Function calling statement. This can call function many times. Print f the factorial of number is, the factorial of number is %d comma f, %d comma f. Now we understand what is the program. If there is the number is 5, then this condition is false. The number is come from here. 5 into 5 minus 1 means 4. 5 into 4, 20. Then here stores 20. Then again 4. 4 into 3 means 20 into 3, 60. Then 2, 20. 60 into 2, 120, and if a equal to 1, then return 1 and the control goes to the main function. So we can print the factorial 5 value, that is 120. So this is the topic of recursion. We have already given the PDF of this topic. Thank you, class.